Jai Shri Ram. Good morning everyone. This is Deepankar Tiwari and I would like to thank everyone for watching my videos. So today we are going to make very delicious breakfast or evening snack which is eaten worldwide. In India we call it curry, or in some other countries we call it puff pastry. Using the puff pastry we can make many dishes, like we can cook danish, pan of chocolate, apple pie, tarts and some other desserts. And in India we cook puff or patties, which is puff pastry, and inside this we fill the filling of samosa, which is mashed potato and some other Indian herbs. So here we got all the ingredients. So here we got the ingredients. We got all-purpose flour, which is maida. We got butter or ghee. We got salt. Here we got powder of cinnamon, some jaggery, you can use sugar also, and an apple. So first we're gonna make the dough. For this we have got all-purpose flour, which is maida, and we're gonna add little bit of salt in it just for the taste, and we're gonna add little bit of butter. You can use ghee here, and we're gonna use ice cold water. It should be really cold. And my hands are clean, so I'm gonna make the dough with my hands. So now here we got our dough. It's in the small quantity because I'm just gonna make a couple of pieces. So now we have to get our rolling base, which is chakla and belan. I've got right here. So now we have got our dough ready, and we'll start the other process of making the wrap of the pie. I'll use as a whole like this full at one chance. We're gonna apply a little bit of flour to the base. These things are baked products, so it has to be cooked in the microwave oven, but here we are cooking without a microwave oven. So now we got this dough, we're gonna roll it up and make a flat bread. And now here comes the interesting part, or the creative part. After doing this roll, we have got this ghee right now. If you want to use butter, salted or unsalted butter, anything is fine, but I'm going to use this ghee. Make sure this is not melted, because if the butter or ghee is melted, this is not going to work what we want. So it should be solid. We're gonna apply ghee here. I'm using my hands. Apply it throughout. Once the butter is applied everywhere, then we need to wrap it like this from one side. So first we have make it half like this, and then there is a butter. We're gonna roll one more side, so there will be 3 layers. And now we're gonna use a little more butter on the top of this. And then wrap it one more time like this. So now we have got this shape, and now we have to refrigerate this thing. You have to put this in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes. And the reason behind this is we don't want the butter to melt and mix with the dough, so butter should be free. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, and I do not have refrigerator at this place, so I'm gonna use this thing where I have got this hot pot. I have kept some ice inside here. I got this zip lock. I'm gonna put my dough in this zip packet, close it up, put it in here. So this will work as a refrigerator here on the rooftop. Keep it here on side for like 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we're gonna repeat the same process. So now we have left our dough in the refrigerator or in our hot pot, and now I've got apple because I'm going to make apple pie today. So we need apple, and you can remove the skin also, but today I'm not gonna remove the skin, gonna make it like this. So I'll just take like this, make the small pieces. So here we got our apple chopped. Gas on, I'm heating up this pan. We're gonna cook the apple that we're gonna stuff inside the apple pie. Our pan hot enough now, keep it on a medium flame, and we're gonna put a little bit of butter or ghee in here. And this is jaggery. I'm going to put this inside the melted butter or ghee. You can use sugar also in this place. Our jaggery melted here now. We're gonna add our apple. We're gonna add little cinnamon here, just like half teaspoon. Now we're gonna check our refrigerator. We're gonna take out our dough. It became tight now already and very cold. So we're gonna put a little of plain flour on the top. We have to do the same process again of rolling it up and applying the butter. Sometimes it becomes sticky, we need to apply the flour again. And we're gonna apply butter again to this. Then do it like this one more time. Apply butter on the top. And then do it like this. Again, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes for the butter to cool down. And this thing we need to repeat for like 6 to 7 times for our puff pastry to cook well. I'm gonna put it again here. We're gonna leave this again for 30 minutes here. The process of making this dough, applying butter, keeping in the refrigerator, again rolling up, applying butter in 3-4 sides, rolling up. This is little lengthy, but you have to do it to make a good puff pastry. And once the puff pastry, the wrap is ready, you can fill anything inside you want. So like I'm filling apple, you can put any fruit like banana you can put inside, you can put pineapple, you can put inside chocolate, honey, any sweet things. Like we have got a sweet dessert which is called halwa. You can put halwa inside and fry this up. So anything you like, you can put it inside and that will be a pie. I'm gonna roll it up once again. So here we got our dough again, and we're gonna roll it. This is gonna be the last time. So we got our flatbread ready here now, and we're gonna cut it into 2-3 pieces so that we can wrap our apple pie. So we're gonna cut it from here, and we're gonna make a cut here. Now we have got this wrap right now. I'm gonna add this here, but before adding the apple here, we're gonna apply little water on all the sides of this so that these things will wrap up well. And then we're gonna add our apple in here. I'm making this a small piece. Mostly when you make an apple pie, this can be this big. So wrap has to be double of this size. We're gonna wrap this thing now. Press gently on all the sides so the filling doesn't come out while we cook it. And we have got this ready. We're gonna make one more. So we'll take our remaining apple. And yes, we have to apply water on all the sides so it sticks well. Once it is fried, you will see all the different layers from this side. Sometimes juice comes out from this opening, so we cover it well. We got this one. So we have filled apples inside these pies, and this wrap I'm not gonna fill anything. We're just gonna fry it like this. So this will be a curry. I just cut it into 2 pieces. And this also tastes so good. So this is the real pastry, puff pastry, or in India we call it curry. This goes good with the tea or coffee. So I'm gonna just fry it like this without filling anything. So we have got this small pan, and we got vegetable oil inside here to fry our apple pies. So I'm gonna pour this now inside. I'm taking a small pan, so we want our apple pies to dip completely inside the oil. If you're gonna take a big pan, you need a lot of oil to make our apple pie dip inside. Now see, it started turning brown. I have to flip it. Have a look in here. I'm gonna take it out now. You can use a tissue paper to absorb the oil. I don't have a tissue paper, so I'm using this cloth. You see the color is golden brown now. I'm gonna put another one here. Here we got our second pie also ready. I'm gonna remove it. See how beautiful this looks. And now we're gonna add our puff pastry. This is the plain one, which has got no filling inside. I'm gonna. So here we got our plain curry is also ready in here. I filled up my apple pies, so apples is over, but still have some dough remaining here. I'm gonna use the jaggery inside. You can use jaggery, you can use chocolate syrup, you can use jam, anything you want. You can put it inside this stuffing. You can wrap it. It will taste good for sure. So we got this apple pies and our curry ready here, and it goes well with the tea. So I got Indian masala tea here. And here you go, pies are ready to eat. See the crunchiness here, and this one is filled with the jaggery. You'll find it sweet. See the layers that we have got and the crunchiness. Thank you everyone. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Now you know how to make curry or apple pie or Danish. Cook these things at home while we are at Corona lockdown, and let me know how it tastes. And I'll see you again tomorrow with some new video. Till then, have a good day. Jai Shri Ram.